Hello viewers, so I hope you all are fine. So today I am coming with a new video related to the website development. So the topic which we will discuss today is related to the static website. If you are creating your own personal website or if you are creating someone else's website or company website, so you can use this website code which I created. So first of all, I will show you the interface, how this website look like. So this website is completely responsive for all mobile phones, tablet and small screens. And if I will show you, you can go to the inspector. So here it is. Just press this one. These are nav bars and everything, my footer, each and everything. Okay, let's close it. So basically in this video, I will explain you each and everything, how you can modify this website according to your requirements, like how you can change your header, how you can change your logo, background image, and how you can add your own cars, or how you can change your footer, or how you can navigate to your own personal pages. So right now all pages are working. I created different. Okay, so let's get started. If you guys didn't subscribe my channel, please go for it. So first of all, come to the index.php, which one is index.html. So because it's a static page, so we don't require a PHP format. So if you want to change the logo, this name and this navbar, so what you have to do, go to the index.html. For the background image, just replace your image with banner.jpg. And if you want to change the logo, just go for it. In images folder, there is a logo.png. And if you want to change the text which is next to the logo, just change this one here, like Mr. UK for now. Okay, and if you want to change the navbar, so these are the links. You can edit your own links, or you can edit your own requirement, like no need, just for the testing point of view. If you go and refresh this one, so look, Mr. UK, this one, you can change the background image in the CSS file. Same like this one. If you need more cards, so I created the hero section, this one, so you can add as much as you need the cards. Okay, and you can change the things inside, like game development. You can change your own according to your requirement, like my portfolio, my publication. And that's the folder which I created as a recent publication, so you can provide the link. So these are my games which I created like few weeks before. Sorry. And next of all, that's a footer, so you can change the footer according to your requirement. And these are the icons for the Facebook, social media and everything. If you want to attach the icons, it's not coming for now because I did not add any text. Okay, I will discuss this one next video. Leave it for now. So these are different pages which I already created, so you can modify these pages according to your requirement, like service page, index page, contact page, career page. If you wanna add new jobs after some time, so you can use this career page. Team page, if you wanna add the images for your team, like who is working as a CG artist, who is working as a CEO, who is working as a ASO, so you can mention all your teams in the team.html file. So make sure this is a static page. So if you want to add any functionality, like you need to take any input from the user, or you need to store any information from the user in the database, so you need to use that .php extension. These all are the HTML extensions. So I use the Bootstrap, I use the Google APIs, fonts, or these things. I mentioned everything on the top. So I will provide this link to you into my GitHub, so you can go to the video description and download the website code. But make sure you can't copy paste, like you need to modify each and everything, like the background image, my services, because this website is live. If you go to this one, so this website is live, so you can't use this one, otherwise the copyright will come. Or if you guys need more information, like how I update, like upload this website into the hosting, and if you need a free hosting or any cheapest hosting, so you can contact me, or you can mention the comment in this video. So I will create a separate video on it, like how you connect your hosting with a domain, how you purchase your domain, and these things. So I think that's enough for today, otherwise the video goes too long. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.